Welcome to Tech and Home Chronicles, where smart living meets simple solutions. This is the ChomChom Roller Pet Hair Remover, a reusable lint roller that easily removes dog and cat hair from furniture, carpets, and clothes. In this video, I'll break down the good and the bad so you can decide if it's worth it. The good starts with its simple but clever design. Instead of sticky sheets or batteries, it uses a built-in rolling mechanism that traps pet hair into an internal chamber as you roll it back and forth. It works great on furniture, bedding, clothing, and car seats, picking up fur that most regular lint rollers leave behind. Once you're done, just press the release button, open the compartment, and dump out the collected hair. It's completely reusable and sustainable, so you don't need to keep buying refills or adhesive sheets. The roller is also compact and portable, so it's easy to keep one in your home and another in your car. On the downside, it only works well on fabric surfaces, not on hard floors or leather. You do have to apply a bit of pressure when rolling, and it's not ideal for large areas like full carpets. But for everyday fur removal, it's efficient and fast. So, is it worth it? If you've got pets and you're tired of hair sticking to your couch, clothes, and car seats, the ChomChom roller is one of the simplest and most effective tools you can get. It's durable, reusable, and saves money over time. Check the description for the product link and possible deals. And as always, do your own research before buying. Like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews. We cover a new category every day of the week, right here on Tech and Home Chronicles. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.